We will start food and fun. Fill in the blanks. First one is question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. 1 or A. Divya and Swastik had come from dash. So from there they have come. They have come from boarding school. So write down boarding school. So the number 1 is boarding school. Boarding school. Okay. Second one is food being cooked in large, in huge. So it should be vessels, in huge vessels, in huge quantity. So write down huge and then quantity. Number 2 or B will be, it is given B. So it is, first one is in a large amount. Large amount in huge vessel. Okay, so the number 1 first filling is amount and the second one is vessels. Now turn over the page, fill in the blank C. So Gurnur dash was making many rotis at one time. It should be mother. Gurnur, mother. And the D is, the material to cook so much food is contributed by villagers, people and women. So it should be people. It doesn't matter whether a man or woman. It should be people. Okay. And some people served food and others served dash. It should be water. Who is singing the song? F dash at the end. So it should be serving. It should be serving. Now it should be serving. Now true and false. Question 2. True, false. So A is Gurnur and Manpreet came from the boarding school. So is it true or false? It is a false statement. B is there. Divya liked eating together with all the children in the hostel. So it is a true statement. Yes, it is a true statement. Then D, the material. C is Gurnur's father was making Kadha Prasad in the Gurudwara. It is also a true statement. Now the D is, the material to cook so much food was contributed by Gurnur's parents. So it is a false statement because lots of people contributed that. So it is a false statement. Now E, people who were serving ate at the end. So it is a true statement. Now F is there. Kadha prasad is a kind of halwa. So it is also a true statement. Okay. So the first one is boarding school. B, fill in the blank, amount and vessel. C is mother. D is people. E is water. And true, false. A false. B true. C true. D false. E true. F true. So write it down. Okay. Now we will write answer the following questions. Question 3. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. A is question A, who came to meet Gurnur? Who came to meet Gurnur? Anybody from you? Who came to meet Gurnur? Okay. So write Divya.
Divya and Swastik came to meet.
Don't speak, dear. If you want something, then write it down. Don't speak. Divya and Swastik came to meet Gurnur. Gurnur. Divya and Swastik came to meet Gurnur. Now B question, what did Divya tell them about the hostel life? So write it down. Divya told that they don't like hostel's food. Hostel food. They don't like hostel food but enjoy eating together with all the children. All the So B answer is Divya told that maybe she don't like they don't like the food of the hostel, but eating together was a real fun for them. So here it is, Divya told that they don't like hostel food but enjoy eating together with all the children. Okay? And now we will write the C question. So I will rub this one, question number 1. Answer C. The question is, what activities were going on in Gurudwara's kitchen? So write down, a lot of activities were going a lot of activities were going on in the Gurudwara. A lot of activities were going on in the Gurudwara. Food was being cooked. Food was being cooked. Food was being cooked in huge vessels. Food was being cooked in huge vessels. People were preparing preparing Kadha Prasad for distribution. Kadha Prasad for distribution. Okay, so a lot of activities were going on in the Gurudwara. Food was being cooked in huge vessels. People were preparing Kadha Prasad for distribution. Okay, now the next question, or the D question. Who bring all the materials to cook so much food? So we will write it down. Answer D. Answer D is here. Answer D. Who bring all material to cook so much food? There is a contribution by everyone. There is a contribution by everyone. By everyone in some way. In some way or the other. Or the other. Some give money. Some give money. Some members arrange for the materials and other help in the work. Help in the work. Okay, so the D answer is being completed. Now, what did people do after finishing the langar? So it is a E answer. Now the next one is E. What did the people do after finishing the langar? So everyone puts his or her used plate everyone puts their plate everyone puts their plate puts their used plate used plate in the drum after finishing the food. Here you can write his or her because everyone we have written. Everyone puts his or her used plate in the drum after finishing the food. So this is the answer. This one is the answer D. Now this is the answer E. And then F, who cleaned the plates and washed the utensils? So write down. The people who served ate at the end the people who served ate at the end they cleaned the plates and washed utensils. They They cleaned the place and washed utensils. Okay, so that's all for the question answers. We have completed who cleaned the place and washed the utensil. So the people who served at the end, they cleaned the place and washed utensils. And the last question, write a short note or longer, or question 4 is your homework. Okay, so the question 4 is your homework, and other we have completed. Do you have any question? Do you have any problem, or do you have any questions? So you can ask me. Dear, do you have any question or answer? So you can ask me. Do you have any problem? Okay, so that's all for the day, and you kindly write it down and give your presence so that I can take your attendance. Thank you and have a nice day. Next day we will start the new chapter. Okay.